I'm Professor C.B. Gaslight with today's Riverside Minute. You know, Riverside history is all around us. Today, we're here at the train depot. It's an established stop for the Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy Railroad prior to the establishment of Riverside. The railroad provided transportation to and from Chicago and was an integral part of the general plan of Riverside. Prominent architect William LeBaron Jenney designed the first depot in 1871, which was destroyed by fire. The present depot was constructed from plans prepared by Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy railroad architects. It is representative of early 20th century railroad depot architecture. The main depot, with open covered extensions on the south side of the tracks, was connected by a tunnel to the north platform. I'm Professor C.B. Gaslight. See you next time with another Riverside Minute.